What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another keyboard video. Now today real quick I want to share with you guys one more budget keyboard, but this keyboard is actually really good for the price. So you can pick up this iLovBee i61 gaming keyboard from Amazon for around $31. Now for $31, if you don't have to change the switches, you don't have to do any types of mod. Yes, you don't have to do it. If you're someone who doesn't know how to do any types of mod and you are looking to get a cheap keyboard, perform really good, sounds good, the build quality is good, and you are not looking to change the keycap, you definitely should look at iLovBee. I know the name is kind of I don't know, funny, but look at the keyboard right here, guys. It's a really nice 60% keyboard, hot swappable. You know, you can change the switches. It does come with gray and white PVT keycaps, and also the build quality is really good. You guys can see. Okay, here we have the brand name. I don't know if you can see. It does come with USB Type C. Now, when I tell you this keyboard is really good, I really mean it, and let me tell you guys why. First, hear this keyboard. All right, now let me bring my $25 MK Mini keyboard. You see how this thing sounds? Like the MK Mini sounds like a broken keyboard. Even though I did a lot to it, okay? The only thing I couldn't do, I couldn't change the switches because I don't have a soldering kit yet. I'm planning on getting a soldering kit from Amazon. There is a really good soldering kit. I'll leave a link in the video's description. I'm planning on getting that. It's only $19. And I'll also get some switches for this MK Mini. Keyboard also comes with a keycap puller and a switch puller. Okay, actually I don't have one, so that's good. And also does come with a USB C to USB Type A cable. Okay, and this cable is pretty long, but I'm not using this cable. I'm using one of these coil keyboard cable from Temu, and I only paid like $9 for that, and the build quality is really good. I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can check out this Temu coil cable. They have different colors. I have the white one here, so I'm not using this. Okay, now let me pull the keycap for you guys so you guys can see the switch. So you guys can see red switch right here. Okay, and seems like these switches are lubed and everything, because as you guys can hear, sounds pretty good, right? Now, I'm not a keyboard expert. I just like to buy like budget stuff, and I was really surprised. For $31, this keyboard almost sound like or perform like a $60–70 keyboard. All right, let me see if I can pull one of the switch for you guys. Okay, oh wow, it's really easy. So you guys can see it's a 2-pin switch right here, red switch. You can change that, you can replace that, and the PCV is also black. And you guys can see the stabilizer seems like lubed also. Okay. And the keycaps, I think, I don't know, double shot PVT keycaps. So the legends don't really light up, But you can always change the keycaps if you want, but I don't really care. But it does have RGB. You guys can see, does change to different modes. So let's talk about the options this keyboard comes with. So if you hold the FN key right here, you can basically access the function keys on the top, F1, F2, and then there's option for volume up and down. There's also option for the arrow keys here, and then you can also use this keyboard with Mac and Windows. You guys can see here there is an option, but for all this stuff, I recommend you guys to check out the user manual, and you guys will see this keyboard does have a lot of options. All right, so real quick, I just want to give you guys my thoughts. So you guys might be thinking right now, like, what's Sunny talking about? Like, which keyboard, I recommend now. I know I was recommending this MK Mini keyboard a couple of months back. I still like this keyboard, don't get me wrong. For the price, $25, but for $6 more, this iLovBee keyboard, like, there is no competition between these two keyboards. Like, iLovBee is way better than MK Mini. The keyboard build quality is better, doesn't feel cheap at all, does have RGB colors, and overall this keyboard is way better. This keyboard also comes with the software, but I couldn't find, like, I tried to go to their website and try to find the software. I don't know what happened. I think they had some issue with their website, but they also have a software for this keyboard. So one thing I do like about MK Mini keyboard, does come with feet. You guys can see there's like 2 feet, one small, one big, and you can actually extend this feet and you can have better view of the keyboard, because I know some people, they do like this angle right here, and you can do that with MK Mini. iLovBee doesn't have that option. iLovBee only comes with like 4 small rubber feet, and that's about it. You don't get this type of angle here, okay? But you guys can see side to side. That's the only difference. So between both of this keyboard, iLovBee and MK Mini, I recommend iLovBee, because iLovBee is a very good $31 keyboard. You can just take it out of the box and start gaming. That's all. You really don't have to modify if you don't want. For someone who really doesn't know how to modify, someone who is not looking to spend a lot of money on a keyboard, someone who is maybe like me, or there's a lot of young kids, like, they're playing game like Fortnite, Apex Legend, Overwatch, and they're on budget, so they're not looking to modify their keyboard right now. They just want something good, take out of the box and just start playing. You can't go wrong with iLovBee. You can just take this keyboard out of the box, connect this one to your computer, and start playing any game you want. It does perform really well. Now, you're hearing from somebody who's been using this keyboard for almost 2 weeks, and I'm really impressed. That should be it, guys.